Welcome back, parrot lovers. Today, avian first aid. What every parrot owner should know. With Dr. Parrot Talk. As a parrot owner, it's important to be prepared for any emergency situation that may arise. In order to properly care for your feathered friend, you should also know the basics of parrot first aid. Weight changes. One of the indicators of illness is a change in weight. It is crucial to weigh your bird morning, midday, and bedtime for 2 weeks to establish a baseline weight, as this number, in grams, could save a sick bird's life. Injured beak or talon. One common issue that parrot owners may encounter is an injured beak or talon. If your parrot's beak or talon is bleeding, it's important to apply pressure to the injury, using a clean piece of gauze or a cotton swab. You can also apply styptic powder to the area to stop the bleeding. If the bleeding persists or if the injury is severe, it's best to take your parrot to the vet. Broken blood feather. Another issue that parrot owners may encounter is a broken blood feather. If you notice a feather that is bleeding, it's important to remove it as soon as possible. You can do this by gently pulling the feather out or by cutting it close to the skin with a pair of scissors. A blood feather is like a straw, hollow and full of blood. It is an urgent matter anytime blood is present. It takes very little blood loss for a bird to bleed to death. Be sure to keep an eye on the area for any signs of infection. If your parrot is showing distressed, heavy mouth breathing, this could be caused by nasal blockages caused by feather dust or seed and millet dust, in the case of small birds, whose nares are closer to their food dish. To relieve nasal blockages, use a hypodermic needle, with the needle removed, filled with saline solution and pushed through one nostril. If this is not the issue, it could be an indicator of respiratory infection or other complications. In addition to these common issues, it's also important to be aware of any signs of illness in your parrot. Some signs to look out for include lethargy, loss of appetite, and difficulty breathing. If your parrot is showing any of these signs, it's best to take them to the vet as soon as possible. Some things that look odd or scary could just be normal parrot behaviors. Here are examples of just such instances. What appears to be constant yawning in parrots may actually just be a crop clearing. Crop clearing is a natural process where the crop, or food pouch, of a bird is emptied. This can happen when a bird is full or when they're getting ready to sleep. If you hear an odd clicking or grinding sound, beak grinding in parrots is a natural behavior that helps to keep their beaks trimmed and in good condition. It typically occurs at night when the bird is relaxed and calm and is considered a sign of contentment and comfort. The frequency of beak grinding can vary among individual birds and species, with some birds grinding their beaks more frequently than others. This behavior can also be influenced by environmental factors such as stress, boredom, and the availability of toys and perches. The clicking or grinding sound produced during this behavior is usually not a cause for concern. However, if it becomes particularly loud or is accompanied by other signs of distress, it may indicate a more serious issue such as a malformed beak or a deficiency in the bird's diet. To ensure the overall health and well-being of pet parrots, it is important to provide a stimulating environment, a balanced diet, and regular visits to the vet. Regular beak trims by a professional can also help to maintain a healthy beak and prevent any overgrowth or malformation. Also, remember that any blood is critical. It can take as little as 16 drops of blood, in a small bird, to be fatal. Be prepared with a good blood clotting agent, such as cornstarch or styptic powder, on hand for emergencies. If you would like more information, visit my channel to view full episodes of the Parrot Talk series. We appreciate you tuning in and we hope you'll join us next time for more Parrot Talk. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. It sure helps us out if you click the like button if you found this information helpful. Comment below if you have any suggestions for future episodes. And remember, a healthy parrot is a happy parrot. Until next time.